Do you want to watch that?
All right, decided to roll a video out here. I'm in the Rio Grande. I think I could do it like this. On the border is what I've been told. Oh, this is gonna feel good. Like right in the middle. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh my goodness. Wow. So yeah, I finally made it to the Rio Grande. There's, if you want to take a look around, that's the U.S. side. And this is the Mexican side, Mexico. I think we're probably gonna go to tacos. I haven't had any hot food in about a few days, so we'll probably get some hot food. People crossing over the border right now.
What time does the sun set?
This is beautiful. Oh shit. Wow, I can't believe I'm in the middle of this Rio Grande. This is 130 million years old too. It's just that the water's cool. Yes, there's dogs out here and everything, so what? Oh my.
I think we could do a hike. Spend a whole day there. I don't know.
I guess I'll go over here and see what kind that they have in a second, because they're making me hungry talking about food right next to me. And I may put the phone up. But I wanted y'all to maybe enjoy a little bit with me. That's the Mexico side over there. Yeah, they're making me hungry now. Oh, one last time. Oh, that's what I wanted. Yes, just like that. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go up. We're gonna put the phone up and come back and maybe get some tamales or something. Dang it, I may have a meat. But I don't know, we'll see. Because I have a feeling that it may have done something with it.
I could also sit here all afternoon.